Hello students, welcome to the maths classes. Today we are doing class 12 maths NCERT example, chapter 8, that is application of integrals, and this is your example 6. Find the area of the region included between the parabola y is equals to 3x square by 4 and the line 3x minus 2y plus 12 is equals to 0. So, to find the area bounded by these two curves, let us take your first curve y1 as y is equals to 3 by 4x square and y2 as your second curve, that is 3x minus 2y plus 12 is equals to 0. Now to find the point of intersection of these two curves, we are going to solve them. So y is equals to this. In the second equation, we can substitute the value of y, 3 by 4 x square plus 12 is equals to 0. So this will give you 6x minus 3x square plus 24 is equals to 0, or we can write it as 3x square minus 6x minus 24 is equals to 0. We can take 3 common. It will give you x square minus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0. Now the factors of minus 8 is minus 4 and 2. So x minus 4 and x plus 2 is equals to 0. So we will get two values of x is equals to 4 and minus 2, and when x is equals to 4, your y will come out 3 by 4 ka square, that is 12. So your first point of intersection is 4, 12, and when x is equals to minus 2, your y will come out 3 by 4 minus 2 ka square, that is 4, so it will cancel out, y is equals to 3. So your second point of intersection is minus 2, 3. Now we can draw the two curves. If we draw the two curves, your first curve represents a parabola. Your first curve is x square is equals to 4 by 3y. So x square is equals to 4y will represent an upward parabola with vertex 0, and your second curve y2 will be a linear equation in two variables. So a linear equation in two variable will represent a line with the point of intersection at 4 and minus 2. So let us take this as minus 2 and this as 4. So there will be 2 point of intersection. So this is your first curve y1 and this is your second curve y2. Okay. Now the required area is this, the area included by these two curves. Now to find the area of these two curves included with to find the area of the shaded region, we can integrate this line function. We can integrate this line function in between minus 2 to 4 first, and then we can subtract this y1 function, the area of y1 function in between minus 2 to 4. So this area will be subtracted. So we will get the required area. So the required area is equals to integral minus 2 to 4. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल माइनस 2 to 4 तक आप लाइन को इंटीग्रेट करेंगे y2 dx माइनस -2 to 4 उसके अंदर से आपको ये वाला एरिया सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, एंड दैट इज द एरिया ऑफ दिस y1 फंक्शन इन बिटवीन -2 to 4. Now what is y2? y2 will come from your second function. From here your y will come out 3x plus 12 divided by 2, and from here y will come out 3 by 4 x square. So y2 is 3x plus 12 by 2 dx, and y1 is 3 by 4 x square. Okay, so this will give you 3 by 2. Integral of x is x square by 2. You will substitute limits -2 to 4, plus 12 by 2 is 6. So you are going to integrate 1, that is integral of 1 is x, minus 3 by 4 is your coefficient x, the integral of x square is x cube by 3. Now you are also going to put your limits here. So this will give you 3 by 4, 4 का square 16 minus 2 का square is 4 plus 6, 4 minus 2 minus 1 by 4. This is 4 का cube 64 minus 2 का cube, that is -8. So this will give you 3 by 4 into 12 plus 6 into 6 minus 1 by 4 into 72. Okay, so this is 9 plus 36 minus 18, and this is equals to 36 minus 18 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. So your required area is 27 square unit.